Don't tell me.
What?
Pig quits and boys does not dig. Pig hits here. Her hip. Look at pig dig. Wait.
Can I see the picture?
Look at
Wait,
this.
can I see the picture? No, the other one. The last one.
Here, look at this, Mommy.
I see the last one. Oh. Is that meat?
What?
There.
Yes.
Is that a mirror?
A meat?
Ah.
Okay, let's read another one.
Black and white, please.
No.